love the question. What's been absolutely fascinating to witness throughout this entire accelerator has been how quickly and deeply my team has been connecting with virtually every member across the organization, from our marketing team to sales to customer success to our leadership team involvement, and uncovering new ways with how we can better serve every student and every customer that goes through our educational programs. So here we are at the end of the accelerator, and it's just been incredible seeing such a short time teams working together, collaborating together, communicating with each other, and learning how to work better together. And now my team has a a workable prototype of many AI solutions, each one with its own plan of how we're going to integrate that into the business and roll out to our customers, as well as a thoughtful roadmap of how we're going to get to the important components today, as well as the meaty issues that we need to get to later. So it's just been really incredible in a very short period of time to see such cross team collaboration. It's been a lot of learning by doing. So the team hasn't been just sitting around watching videos and watching the typical self-directed courses that people typically do, but the team has been jumping in, uh, learning by doing, and that's just been the game changer here. And so the next step immediately after this program has been my team prioritizing the work. And now within literally days to weeks, we're going to be rolling out these solutions. We already have alignment across the organization because we've been doing this as a team together. And so we can just move much more quickly and deliver much more impact to our customers.